In many cases, while doing your workout, you want to add a preparation timer, sort of to let you prepare for the workout, or some people even use it, for example, to stretch and warm up, if you don't have a sort of a warm-up session during the workout. An exercise timer, you can add a global preparation timer, sort of for all the workouts. To do this, you can go to settings, so go on more, and go on settings, and go on workout settings. And you can set the preparation timer for here. So for example, let's set it to 5 seconds. And if we start a workout now, we'll have a preparation timer of 5 seconds. To make it easier for you, we also add this feature before starting a workout. So for example, if you tap a workout, you can click the settings here, this icon here, the settings, and you can also change the preparation timer before starting the workout. And when you start the workout, you will see a 5 seconds timer, and you can also tap to start immediately.